So there is a bug in Play Store. So those who don't know about how to uninstall system apps or disable it, you can do from the Play Store, not in application settings in your phone. So go to help and feedback. Then you will find delete or disable apps. From here, tap to go to application setting. You can uninstall or disable the system apps which you can't disable or uninstall. Find the error unable to complete the action. So let's fix it. Go grab down your notification panel, then turn off the dark mode. Yes, by turning off the dark mode, you can solve the problem which is occurring in the Play Store, unable to complete the action. I don't know whether it's true or not, but that web page doesn't support dark mode, I think. So again the same steps. You can see delete or disable app already opened. Tap to go to application settings. Opened. I can show you thousands of times. Look, whenever I tap, it opens. And for your better assurance, I'm turning on the dark mode again. Then tap to go to unable to complete the action. Same error. By turning off the dark mode, you can solve it.